Good morning. Today's unboxing is the Aprilaire Model 700 Whole House Humidifier. Alright, when you open up the box for the 700 series powered humidifier by Aprilaire, this is what we get. We get, of course, the owner's manual. We get a transformer here. We get the saddle valve, which also includes the control instructions. This is the automatic controller. All right, we get a sticker for the humidifier for replacing the pad. We get the install instructions and template here. And of course we get the Aprilaire humidifier. That's the unboxing of the Model 700 Aprilaire humidifier.